ultimate game of tug-of-war, the strongest man on Earth, or 100 kids. 3, 2, 1, go! And that's just the first of some of the most epic competitions you've ever seen. We're racing the fastest jetpack in the world. We have the world record high jumper in a dunking contest. We have the world's best soccer player competing against celebrities, starting with the fastest woman on the planet versus these 100 men in a race. When did you win these 3 gold medals?
2 weeks ago.
Literally 2 weeks ago. How many gold medals do you have?
0.
Yell if you think you can beat her.
Easy dubs, baby. Let's go.
Between us, are you confident you're gonna beat them?
Yes.
Okay. Hey guys, I'll give you 100 grand if you beat her. All right, please don't lose. Please don't lose that. This is a race to the finish line, and the first one to cross wins. $100,000 to anyone faster than Melissa. 3, 2, 1. All right, they're up. They're up. Can any of the guys beat the fastest woman on the planet?
Let's go. Oh.
She's ahead. She's ahead. She's ahead. Oh, she's ahead. Oh, and it's actually close. She's currently in the lead. Wait, 35. 35 is gaining on her. Oh, she's speeding up. She's going up. Oh, my God. Oh, look. Woo. Oh, she was first. Oh, my gosh. Whoa. You won. Shocker, you won. 35. You are actually not too far behind.
Good job. I saw you. Great job.
Wait, do you do track?
No.
Oh, you probably should. Shocker, the fastest woman in the world is very fast. Let's go to the next bit. For our next challenge, we have the smartest, greatest, #1 jet ski racer on the planet, DJ Khaled.
That's right, Miami Zone 305. I'm ready to go. I don't care who's on a jet ski.
Well,
you know, I run the ocean.
I
am gonna come out on top.
Well, you're not racing someone that's using a jet ski. Oh, you'll see. You're cleared for takeoff.
Take off.
Just look right over there. You're racing the #1 jet suit racer on the planet.
I don't know what that is.
I didn't either, but apparently people actually race in jet suits, and this guy is the best in the world.
So is there a trophy? Is there?
Yeah, the winner gets a huge trophy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'll take that.
Hey, can we get a trophy made before the end of the race, please? Thank you. The challenge is simple. DJ Khaled will be on a jet ski while Issa takes to the skies. And the first person to complete 1 lap through our course is the winner. Gentlemen, are you ready?